First of all, the platform that we recommend is completely web-based, which means you don't have to download an app, which is something I really enjoy. So I'm going to open up my web browser, Google Chrome. You'll notice I'm doing this on a desktop computer, but you can do this on any device that has access to the internet, tablet, phone, etc. Now, once you open up your web browser, the platform that we recommend using is called lichess.org, lichess.org. Real quick, wanted to take a moment to explain why we recommend this platform as opposed to something like chess.com. Now, don't get me wrong, I love chess.com, I use chess.com, but only their basic features are free. If you want to use the more advanced features, they're going to ask you to upgrade your membership, and that's going to cost you a monthly fee. Now, the beautiful thing about lichess.org is that one of their core beliefs is that they want to make chess available to everyone, regardless of their socioeconomic status. What that means is every single feature on lichess.org is completely and 100% free. So when you're just learning how to play chess, they have every single resource you could need, and they're never going to ask you to upgrade your membership. They're never going to ask you to pay, and we think that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's show you how to use the platform lichess.org. The first thing you need to do is create an account, and please don't skip this step. This account is what's going to track your progress through the lessons. It's also what's going to allow you to play games online for free once you finish up your lessons. So to create an account, you go to the top right here, you click sign in, and then on this screen, obviously if you don't have an account yet, you're going to have to go down here to where it says register. And the first thing you'll do when you register is pick your username. And notice it says be sure to choose a family-friendly username. You cannot change it later, and any accounts with inappropriate usernames will be closed. So keep that in mind when you're picking your username. I'm going to pick Fishhawk. The little red thing didn't come up, so this is a username that is available, so I can use it. Pick your own password here. I'm going to set mine. The next step is to enter in your email address, and notice it says we will only use it for password reset. So parents, if you're creating an account for your children, if you don't mind just using your own email address here. And I'm going to enter mine. In the last section here, you have to agree to their terms of service, which are geared around this idea of cheating. I'm not sure if you've been following the news in the chess world lately, but there's been quite a few cheating scandals. And when playing online chess, it's one of the big things they want to try to avoid is cheating. So you have to kind of agree to their terms here. First, it says, I agree that I will at no time receive assistance during my games from a chess computer, book, database, or another person. I agree that I will always be nice to other players. They do monitor the chat, and if they see that you're using foul language, they will ban you from the site. I agree that I will not create multiple accounts except for the reasons stated in the terms of service. Again, multiple accounts is another way to kind of cheat the system. And I agree that I will follow all lichess policies. So agree to each of those and click register. After clicking register, this screen comes up that says to check your email. It says we've sent you an email. Click the link in the email to activate your account. And if you have any issues with not getting the email, you can follow the recommendations down here below. So I'm going to go to my email. And you can see here, it says confirm your lichess.org account, Fishhawk. So I'm going to click that. And then it says click the link to enable your lichess account. So I click the link, and we've successfully created our lichess account. As you can see, it says welcome to lichess.org. You can read all these things if you want to, but for the purpose of this video, we're trying to show you how to access the lessons to learn how to play chess. So we're going to click the first link here, learn the chess rules. Now, you'll notice in the top right-hand corner now, I am officially logged into my account. And again, that's really important. This will track your progress. It'll pick up right where you left off. And again, it's going to allow you to play games later on. And real quick, I wanted to show you how to access these lessons in case you didn't access it from the link that they offered after you signed up for your account. So let's say you're coming back, and actually hold on a second. When you go back to the home page, it says you have received a private message from Lichess. Click here to read it. So I'm going to click there. And then it says, welcome, Lichess is a charity and entirely free open source software. All operating costs, development, and content are funded solely by user donations. So just really emphasizing the fact that this is truly and completely a free platform. You can donate if you want to, but aside from this message, they're never going to ask you for any money. So we're going to go back to the main page here by clicking the leadchess.org icon up here. When you log in, this is what your homepage is going to look like. So to access the lessons, to learn how to play chess, you're going to go here where it says learn. I'm hovering my mouse, and then click chess basics. And that's going to take you right back here to the screen that we saw before, so you can learn how to play chess. And from here, it's pretty self-explanatory. Click the first lesson here about the rook. It's going to walk you through the process of how the rook moves. It's going to give you the opportunity to do some exercises practicing how the rook moves. And when you finish the lesson about the rook, it will then move on to the next lesson about the next piece, and so on and so forth. And you are now able to access these lessons and work through them at your own pace.